Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a Christmas wreath, everything from the Dollar Tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so $7 total for this piece. So this is some ribbon. I got the same patterned ribbon. Next you want to take some tulle. Tulle is going to act as some filler for me today because I only got 4 rolls of that from the Dollar Tree and it's not going to be enough to fill this up. And we're going to cut this tulle to the same measurement of our ribbon, and we're going to repeat that as well. So we have 12 pieces of the long ribbon, so that's going to be 2 per section, and I need about 4 per section. I need 12 of these, so we're going to cut out 12, and I will see you guys back here for the next step. So I obviously did it this way to stretch out the amount of glue that I was working, amount of ribbon. I didn't have a lot of ribbon, so I was trying to come up with a way to put this in to stretch out the material that I did have.
Remember to keep him behind your wing pawns. I know how to play, Mother. Tell me what his eyes looked like when he began to sever his own necks. He's being a little...
All right, you guys, so I know this is so ghetto. I got Corey holding it up because I didn't have a door hanger, but I just want to give you an idea of how this would look on your front door. It could stand to be bigger, but I mean, for it to be from the Dollar Tree for this amount, I think that was a really good deal. And this whole thing cost us less than $10 to make. And so, yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Yeah,